This Triton mixer shower unit developed a fault where the on-off and flow control became so stiff that I could no longer turn the shower off properly. Rather than replacing the mixer completely, I decided if I could fix the original. Before doing anything, I turned off the mains water at the stopcock. On this particular system that removes the pressure from both the hot and cold supplies, I then checked that the shower was no longer under pressure before starting to dismantle it. I then disconnected the flexible shower hose and undid the two wall connections holding the bar mixer in place. Once the complete mixer was on the bench, it was much easier to inspect and work out what the problem was. Using a spanner, I removed the on-off control valve from the unit, and using citric acid and boiling hot water, I put 1 tablespoonful into a jar, mixed it and put the valve in. I left it for about 15 minutes. While that was happening, I removed the other end, which is the hot and cold side. I was hoping to take the whole unit out, but unfortunately it wouldn't come out for me, so I decided to clean it all up and to put the unit into the citric acid, and hopefully it would clean it out from the side. When I did that, I then put the valve back in, and the hot and cold has to be set up correctly. That's the control that needs to be put in properly, so you don't can turn it up too high and burn yourself. I cleaned up the hot and cold water outlets with a toothbrush, so I could then put the PTFE around it. I carefully put the PTFE around the outlets, and when I did that, I then carefully screwed the mixer shower back on. First of all, I did it by hand, and then protecting the nut, I used the mole grips or similar kind of tools. When I was happy that it was all tight enough, I turned the water back on. Now this part I put in afterwards. I lined up the colours that the manufacturers put there, and then by putting the ends on, again, got to line it all up with the lines all in one direction, and the 38 as a final piece, pushed it in, and then put the screw in. Test it, make sure it does work, and when I was happy with that, I put the cover on and tested it. Thank you for watching, and if you got value from this video, then please share, like and subscribe. And if you want to see more DIY videos, then please go on to my channel.